Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Bite. Today I'll show you how to post a GIF in a Facebook comment. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on your Facebook homepage where you can see posts from friends and pages you follow. Now scroll through your newsfeed and find any post you want to comment on. Tap comment below that post. Here's where it gets fun. Look at the comment box and you'll see a GIF icon right beside it. Tap on that. This opens the GIF library. You can either browse through trending GIFs or use a search bar to find a specific one. Just type keywords like happy, laughing, or anything you want. Once you find the perfect GIF, tap to select it, then hit the send button. And that's it. You've successfully posted a GIF as a Facebook comment. It's a great way to add fun reactions and express emotions on posts. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Brainy Bite for more Facebook tips and tricks. See you in the next one.